dilemma is whether to use the base plate, mounting plate, or the Milwaukee Packout Dolly with a hand cart. Now Milwaukee does make a Packout hand truck. However, for my applications I need wider wheels and a little more clearance. So I decided to compare the two with the Packout Dolly or the base plate. So the good feature about the Dolly, it does have the brake, and it also has brakes on the wheels. And since I take my tools inside every night, especially in the winter, so I don't start with frozen tools, this would be a great way to just roll it into the shop. However, the main issue is I was hoping my 20-inch wide nose on my hand truck would catch the Dolly right under the wheels and I could just take it away, but it does not fit that properly. So we can either modify it with a block of wood later on, but I think for right now I'm going to try the Packout base. With the Packout base, I can put my drawered Packout boxes on. That way I do not need to unstack anything to get a tool when I get to the job surface. It keeps everything much cleaner and much more versatile. For right now, that's what I'm going to do. Looks like I can mount some furring strips on the side, and that way it'd be easier to get the Dolly in and out. And that way just take it off the truck, put the Dolly back under there and roll it into the shop, and good to go for the next morning. So hope this is helpful if you're planning on making a decision like this.